In this video, I'll show you how to change the tip of your Apple Pencil 2. It's very easy, so let's get started. So what you need to do is to twist the tip counterclockwise. Okay, so just twist it gently. And you're gonna feel it. It will be undone in just a few seconds. Here we go. Now take your new tip and just align it, push it a bit. And now you're gonna turn it clockwise. And don't over tight it. When you feel it becoming tight, just stop. You don't need to really screw it like you screw a cap on a bottle. You just need to be really gentle. And this is it. That was very easy. Now you're able to use it just like any other tip. Just like any other tip on your Apple Pencil 2. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.